Today I am showing you how to install these clip-ins. Very easy to do. I forgot to work on the crown, but it's okay. Here's the back. Nice, not too big. I've left a bunch of the clip-ins in the box because I do not want big hair. This is what my hair would look like. I always try to do my extensions how my hair would look like, so it's not too huge. I doubt that my hair would be like this big if I were to, you know, do the wash and go. This is the final look. If you want to see how I achieve this, keep on watching. I already have leave-in conditioner on. I put it in the shower and now I just want to put some steam so I could open a bit of these cuticles. To use the got to be glued gel styling spiking glue and the olive oil eco styler gel. So I detangled. I put some I put some twist defining cream on these strands. So now I'm going to use, oh, I have to go get my brushes. So one of them is harder and this one is softer. So I'm gonna put the Eco Styler gel first. Work it through the strand, almost like a wash and go. A bit more. I am putting a lot, but I really want my hair to resemble the texture of the clip-ins. Just so I know that it's really on every strand. Some got to be glued. Soft brush. I'm gonna take some bobby pins. I'm gonna tie it off in the back. I'll fix this in the morning because I'm gonna sleep and it's gonna be like, I'm just saying. So I had to re-put this on because I sleep with a humidifier and my hair did not dry enough. So I it was covering the whole entire back. Mid-sleep, I removed it and really concentrated around the perimeter of my head. This looks like. Very nice and smooth. But I have an issue with the diffuser. Look at this. Look at this. I put it in. I'm gonna put cold air.
Two seconds later.
Okay, I'm gonna unpin. So yeah, quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any tips and tricks for me to blend my hair better with this, let me know. I forgot to mention, I tried to put curling oil, mousse. This hair does not seem to want to take any product. I even put gel in it just to try to define it a bit more, but nothing worked. But yeah, this is the final look. I'm going to enjoy this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.